Nvidia released a new model called Kimodo, which converts user prompts into 3D human motion. The problem is it requires 17 gigabytes of VRAM, and I only have a 6 gigabyte 3060 laptop GPU. According to the docs, the huge memory requirement comes from the text embedding model. After tracing through their generate files and modules, I found it. They're using the Llama 3 8 billion model as the text encoder. If I apply standard 4-bit quantization using the bits and bytes library, and requirement drops to around 5 gigabytes. It fits. I wouldn't have much room left for the KV cache, but I figured PyTorch could offload the extra weight to my CPU memory. To make this work, I needed to run the LLM encoder as a local server and pass its URL to the generation script. I found the wrapper file patched in the 4-bit quantization config and got ready to load it up. But first, the installation. I hate making new conda environments and breaking my existing PyTorch setups, so I tried installing it directly. Immediately, it threw a CMake build error. Instead of dealing with their pip setup, I bypassed it entirely. I manually built the CMake config for their motion correction library, compiled the .pyd file, pasted it straight into the Python folder, and linked it to the system. I set the skip environment variable to true, ran the install again, and it worked. After a 16 gigabyte download, the model successfully loaded into my VRAM. Right as I got it running locally, my Hugging Face queue finally popped. I wanted to test the official demo first to make sure this model was even worth the effort. I gave it a prompt, do a front flip, show a peace sign, and sit down. There was an attempt, but it didn't flip, it didn't do a peace sign, and it didn't sit down. I tried just a simple peace sign. It literally doesn't know what a peace sign is. I was starting to think all this effort was a massive waste of time. But we made it this far, so let's test our hack together local version. I booted up the local server, passed the API URL, and gave it a prompt. A person walking with style, waving their left hand, with their right hand on their waist. To my surprise, it generated the BVH motion file with 0 errors. Let's pull this into Blender and see if it actually worked. Whoa, it works. Look at the style. It's walking, it's waving. This is actually super good. Let's try one more. I asked it to do a front flip, then a back flip. Let's check Blender. I can't believe it failed to do a front flip on Nvidia's official Hugging Face space, but it pulled it off locally on my 4-bit quantized laptop setup. It missed the back flip, but come on, that front flip is cool. So, we successfully crammed a 17 gigabyte model into a 6 gigabyte GPU. If you want to try this out, you can grab my modified code on GitHub, and if you want to support the channel so I can keep doing experiments like this, consider joining as a channel member below. See you later.